Am I getting a ticket? Am I on the road? Is that a problem?
Is this your car?
No, it's the Queen's.
What's your name?
Why are you asking me my name for?
Matthew, I guess.
Correct.
Alright.
So my mom calls me as Matthew.
Your mom. Where's your mom?
She's inside.
She's inside?
You want to go talk to her? She's right there. We're just talking.
Yep.
There's no problem with me being here, is there?
I don't know, is there?
No.
You sure?
You can ask her. She's right there.
Okay.
She's right there. Well, here, I'll ask her to...
Sir, for a sec, we're just going to talk first, so you're recording us just to make sure. Just want to confirm that.
Is that okay in Canada?
Yeah, it's perfect. I have no issues with
Do you mind if I smoke?
Nope,
No,
there's no
that's
issues
Because
with
you
that.
guys just
Well,
stressing me out.
Wait, what are you smoking?
Just a cigarette?
Okay. You're good.
So, Matthew, I guess your mom has some concern about how you are right now. You've been paranoid lately.
I heard that. She's been telling me
She
about how
told you?
she's
How
been
do you
talking
feel
to the
about that?
doctors today.
Okay, and you
So
disagree
I'm
with...
concerned as to why the police are here. She's been talking to doctors.
Okay, because the
I'm
doctors...
concerned.
Well,
They called the police. What was testified, actually, is my concern.
what was testified?
Yeah, that was said that I've done.
I wasn't there. I have no idea.
Exactly. So you're concerned about a mental health
I'm not-
issue?
I'm-
I was
I'm-
certified 3 days ago as being okay.
Am I
and I have an
concerned about it?
appointment
Are you-
with a
well,
psychologist.
If you're going to ask me questions, you're going to let me answer?
I'm just trying to tell you what's
Absolutely.
going on because I understand that you have no idea what's going on.
Well, I have a bit of an idea what's going on.
And I would like to know that.
Okay.
Please tell me.
Well, there's a form that's been issued to have you assessed.
Assessed? You mean like without beyond... You mean like I lose my habeas corpus? Like I don't have the ability to
it's a doctor,
protect myself?
It's a doctor that issues these things. It's not ours. It's
So
not
she
us.
has ability over my body instead of me.
I don't
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a she or a he.
The
No,
doctor, the
you're
doc-
testifying
the
that she has the
Can I-
ability
Look,
to move
it's
my
gonna
body.
be very simple.
Matthew, nobody's testifying because we're not
You're
in
the
court of law.
supervisor, excuse me.
Yes, I am.
I'm sorry, I should only be
No.
talking to you.
No, you can talk to anybody you want.
But it's
However,
better if we only talk one-on-one.
Yes, as long as we can communicate properly
Yes.
and we get through this peacefully, because we're not here to hurt anybody.
That's right.
And we don't want you to hurt anybody.
Are you telling me that I'm going down to the hospital tomorrow?
I'm telling you, there's been a form that's been issued, and we have to act on that. We don't have a choice.
It's Dr. Clavette.
I have no idea. We're going to see whenever we get down
Is
there.
it a judge?
There's
It's a-
actually a
it's a-
form 2. So yes, a judge and a doctor.
A judge
There's
and a
form
doctor.
2 and a form 1.
So one of each. So
So
don't.
that's two people testifying against me.
There's nobody's testifying
And
anywhere.
oh no,
However-
yes there is.
Well, no, there isn't. Because,
No, you just stated that.
No, nobody's testifying because
No, are you telling me that you
testify in a
just...
court of law.
That's right.
Okay, I didn't.
Is this not a court of law?
No.
Are you not an officer of the law?
Yeah, but I'm not in a court.
Are you sure about that?
Absolutely.
Would you be willing to testify that in court?
You know what? I'm so sick of testifying. I've been testifying
I bet
for
you
20
are.
years.
You know you're under oath right now.
Who swore me in?
You swore yourself in.
Yeah, I don't lie.
Exactly. Neither do I.
Okay.
I stopped when I was 7.
I don't need an oath. 'cause
I remember the
don't lie.
last lie I told.
Yeah, I don't need a lie because I don't need an oath. I don't need an oath because I don't lie.
Me too.
Okay, we're on the same page then.
Exactly.
Yep.
So under oath, could I ask you to please protect me?
Absolutely.
Because I'm concerned about my body right
Okay.
now. This body that I've been sworn to uphold and protect to
Absolutely.
my best of my ability
Yep.
is under threat
No,
and absolute duress
you're
right now.
not. No, you're not.
Not
under
by
threat.
you.
You're not under any threat.
Not by you,
Okay.
but by the testimony of some people outside of what may or may not be the truth, okay? Because I understand you're not an officer of the truth. You're an officer of the law and of the peace. You're a keeper of the peace.
Sure.
And I would like to consider myself also.
Absolutely.
So I want to be a keeper of the peace.
Okay.
And I want to keep the peace
So
right here.
So we're going to do this
I
peacefully then.
I hope so.
Okay. Absolutely.
really hope so.
That's what I want to.
But the thing is my mom's right there and we were having a conversation.
Yep.
Would you mind if we continue that conversation? Because I don't think she would mind.
It's not gonna,
unless she's saying that she's...
You just asked me a question. You're going to allow me to answer it?
Yes, but she just talked to my mom. Did she not?
Yep.
So the thing is we're having a council here. It's like a court, if I will.
Yeah.
Just because the thing is there's... Otherwise it becomes a conspiracy.
Well, there's no conspiracy.
Exactly. So if we can just keep this in the now,
Yep.
that would be great.
Yep.
So I'm not trying to walk you through this.
But now
I'm trying to protect myself.
But now I'm going to allow you to finish your cigarette, which is good.
And you're going to invite me into your car.
Not my car. No, I'm the supervisor. One of their cars.
So you're going to offer me, so I understand now that you will be then testifying to these two people that you think that the testimony of those two people,
I don't
which is
testify to these
based
two
on the
people.
testimony of
I
a phone
testify in
call
front of a judge.
by that lady inside the house at the door right there.
I have no idea.
Mom, can you come outside, please?
She doesn't need to come out.
No, there's no need.
Excuse me, can I?
No,
Are you telling me I'm forbidden to speak to my mother?
no, she doesn't want to talk to you, otherwise she would be out here.
Well, I don't understand where that's coming from.
This comes from me.
Based on what? You've never met my mother.
No, but she's standing on the other side of the door. If she wanted to talk to you, she'd open the door and talk to you.
Mom? Mommy? Mom?
Matthew.
Just open the door for a second. Thank you, that was a good invitation. Do you want to talk to me? Yeah. Well, anytime. Like, is it? Do you not want to talk to me? Yeah, specifically right now. I'd like to talk to you, if that's okay.
Okay, Matthew.
That's okay. You don't
Mom, I have a limited
It's
time
okay.
Matthew.
on that simple question. Thanks,
Okay.
Mom.
Please fly away.
I can't believe this, Mom. Yeah, but your love is not testimony to say what you said that isn't true.
Okay, well, anyways, Matthew.
I don't understand what you
Matthew.
have said, and I don't understand you.
Matthew.
I do not understand you.
Matthew.
Don't touch me.
Okay,
You just
you
touched me.
You backed into me, okay?
Matthew.
I did not back into you.
Matthew.
May I?
Just
Now
stay
you've
there.
got me
Just stay there.
surrounded.
Matthew.
You've got me surrounded.
Put your hands up
You've got
out of
me.
your pocket.
Take your
Show me
hand
your
in your
hand.
pocket.
Okay, my hands are out of my
Matthew.
pocket.
Matthew.
Thank you.
Can I just hold on 1
You want to
second?
hold that for us?
If you wouldn't mind, can you film me?
Can I film you? Yeah.
Yeah, just for a second.
Yeah,
Can
you
I
gonna
just-
behave? What are you doing?
1 second.
What's in your jacket? What are you doing?
I'm doing what Jacob Les taught me to do.
Okay, just turn around.
Turn
Just hold
around.
on. No, Mom.
Turn
Mom,
around,
you're gonna hurt me.
No,
Mom.
we're not. Matthew. Matthew,
I'm gonna
stop.
rip my clothes
Matthew, stop.
because this is what I'm not doing it.
Matthew, stop.
I'm just taking my clothes
Cigarette,
off.
get
Hey,
cigarette
God.
as well. Cigarette
Guys,
as well.
I have, give what up? I'm giving up. Okay, give what up? You're hurting me. I'm not resisting.
Matthew, stop.
Resisting what? You haven't even arrested me. Mom, they haven't even arrested me yet.
You're a friend.
I'm just trying to take my clothes off, Mom. I just want to get naked, Mom. Don't turn off my camera, please. Mom, just let me take off my clothes. They can't arrest me if I take my clothes off, Mom.